Day 3, we're on our way to Rethymnon. Rethymnon. It's a big town, and the bus is really warm. It's a bit weird because public transport is travel buses.
Yeah.
And the air conditioning is not really working. We are not sure what we can do there, so we will go to the tourist information first to find out.
Is it difficult to hack?
Yes, I had supposed to be like comfy, but I always have to keep it on my head. It's my sister's and I can't lose the head. So sorry sis if the wind is taking it. Ah, wow, I didn't even see that.
What?
Ah, my head. Damn it. You see? Oh, that's nice. Every time he sings that song, I have to dance. Don't sing it again. You see? We did the full 100 meters. Maybe we need to take a break. Hola.
How is the head?
The head is annoying. I'm gonna cut it off.
Breathe.
Yes.
Breathe.
I'm trying to find some directions with my oh so good orientation. I think we're here now. Probably we're here. Well, that sounded more Italian than Greek, but well, we have a bus to catch. So
A bus?
Bus. We have a bus to catch, so you better hurry. Now we're back and we're gonna change to swim. sad news. It's our last evening in Chania. It was a really nice vacation, really nice destination, don't you think, Eve?
Yes.
We're really sad to go. I'm also sad actually that we have to take the plane so early. If it was in the afternoon, we could sleep really long, and now we have to get up at 6:30. Eve, it's 6:30. Oh, yeah. But it was a really nice vacation. Looking forward to the next destination. Oh, you see, how do you call that? A diving boat in the middle of the port? We will end with that, a submarine. Bye, Chania.